Ever try to embed a video and you get this error? Frustrating, right? Don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you easy way you can be able to embed your video on your website without having any issue. So without further wasting of your time, so let's just go straight into this video so that I'll show you what we are going to be doing. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Blast channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. Now you can see from what I'm having here, you can see this what I've been trying to embed. So let me just quickly remove this and show you how to go about it again on your own in case you want to do it yourself. So I'm just going to quickly delete this. Now I'm going to add another this. Now I'm going to, you can see I actually had to copy the two links down. You can see this is the two links I want to embed. You can see, let me just make it so that it's going to be, you can see this is the two links I want to embed to the site. Now this link one, you can see these two links are actually Instagram link. I'm going to I want to try this out with my Instagram link. You can see sometimes you might just pick the link and upload and it's going to just embed by itself. Why sometimes when you try doing this, is now it will now start showing those errors. You can see normally once you just copy the link and you paste on your website, it's supposed to just automatically embed the particular link for us, but you can see and pull out the video and embed it directly for us. So I'm going to do away with this and try even on a YouTube video. You can see let me just copy this link. Let me copy the video link and go back to my website, and now I'm trying to, once I paste the link in, it will automatically on its own pull in the video for me, embed the video for me. But in cases whereby you don't have this, where like let me say for example I actually got this link, I noticed this particular one wasn't working. That was why I said, okay, let me quickly show you how to do that. Now let me paste this link now, and you can see I'm having this error. Same link I actually copy. Now you can see I'm having this particular error. So what I'll quickly do to fix this error, you can see even though I do retry again, it keeps throwing the same error say over and over again. Even on some, if you try to upload embed some Facebook videos, it might still give you that same errors. So this is usually due to maybe compatibility or so. Also, so what is the easiest thing you need to do is to, let me quickly just delete this again. So now what you are going to do, just what you to solve such kind of issue, just for example, if is this video I want to embed, the easiest way you can do this is just open the video on your Instagram. Yeah, if it's on Instagram, you can open the video, or Facebook, and you just come to, you can, like for Instagram, you can just click on this dot, then you are going to see embed. Just click on embed, it will generate the embed code, the HTML code for you. So you just copy this code. Once you copy this code, you go back to your website, then you just click on enter, or then you on this side you just click here and search for custom HTML, or you just search for HTML. Once you search for HTML, what you're going to just do is to paste the link here. So once you paste the link there, what you just need to do, once your everything is okay, you just need to just click on publish. Now once you click on publish, you can see it's publishing. So let's just wait a little for it to finish publishing. So now once that is done, you notice that it's going to pull that video in for me. it's going to automatically embed the video for me. So you can see it has been published. So let me just view the post so that you get to understand, see what I actually, that the stuff was actually a success. You can see it has actually embedded that particular post, for me. It has embedded it. So you can see how easy it is to do this. You can also try it with YouTube video, Facebook video. For example, let me say I want to embed this, and let's just click on it to open. You can click on it to open. If you want to use the same HTML format, you can click on it to open, then come to share. You come to share, then you're going to see embed. Just click on this embed. You can see it has generated the code. Just copy the code. Then once you copy it, you head back to your post. Now I'm going to replace it with what I have generated. Then I'm going to click on update. All right, it has updated. So now let me quickly refresh my sites. Let me reload it, and you see that this particular one is going to change into the one I just updated right now. You can see it's gone. Now you can see we now have the video actually embedded. So you can see that is simply an easy way or alternative way you can actually use using the HTML embed function to actually embed your articles when the normal just using the link is actually fails. You can use this particular method to embed your videos, and you can, once you embed, you proceed with your work.
Alright guys, that will be all for now. In case you're still watching this video and you've not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please I want to beg you to please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new videos like this. Also, if you have any video idea you want me to work on, please drop in the comment box section. I will try my best to see how to answer. That will be all for now. Bye for now.